Hey guys, it's asoonie, and today I will be. Oh, today I already died, but today I will be playing Don't Press the Button 4. So let's hope this goes well. So the question of the day is so there's this new Wednesday movie. It's been trending lately, and my question is, have you guys watched it? I've watched it. It's really good, but don't worry, I'm not gonna spoil it for those who haven't watched it. So do you guys well, I already, yeah, so have you watched it? Cause it's not really a movie. There's episodes to it, and I'm pretty sure I watched all of the episodes. From what I'm pretty sure I watched all of them. It's really nice, really, but so I can press the button. It's too late now, probably. Wait, well, did I get it? I don't think so. Wait, repair the broken windows. Repair tool. Where? There's no broken windows. Oh. Okay, well, this dude is repairing all of them before I can. I'm just gonna. Haha. I'm gonna go to one of these. No. Oh god, repair! Where's it coming from? I got it. Oh. Alright. I'm staying by either one of these. Oh my god, where's the... These people, repair it! Oh my god. We're gonna get flooded. I'm staying up here. Get on this person's head. Oh, dang. No. I'm gonna drown and die. Bro. No! I was gonna die. But I still got it. Thank God. I'm alive. Oh. Tsunami. Alright. Tsunami, whatever. I always get confused because I always say Tsunami, even though it's tsunami. Oh god. I'm not gonna make it. Where'd I go? Oh. No. Oh my god. I just made that. Dang, I almost died. So, how y'all's days been going? Oh no. I want to jump over it even though I know I'm gonna die. It's really fast though. Okay, that was a late jump. It's gonna get so fast. I should just go on the button, but I don't want to. I don't want to cheat. So, oh, I thought that was another no. Well, I was like, okay. Oh no. How am I? What? Dang, someone probably had what you call it? This thing and killed me. No. I swear, last time I played this, this was 7,000. It got more expensive. How about the carpet? Is this still 6,000? Cause alright, good. I gotta be playing this game more, so. Ah, yes. That person has the carpet. Lucky them. They get to cheat all they want. And that person has a shooter, which they're probably gonna kill me. Well, they're so lucky. That person almost killed me. Pancake. I hate trollers. Like, they're trying to get a good aim, aren't they? Trying to get a good aim. Haha. I'm alive. They're literally gonna steal everything. Or just flop. See? They're such trollers. This is literally not fair. It's not fair. That's almost my name. No, that assassin. I'll give you guys a hint of what my name. Dang. Thank you for the person who has the blow dryer, because I need it. Thank you. Thank you, Pancake. Like, you were very rude, but thank you. At least I'm not the last person who got it. I don't know who Maniac 0703 is, but at least I'm after them and not before. I mean, at least I'm before them and not. Ha! I already killed them. Haha! I got them. Who's next? Am I? Oh, somebody's trying to kill me, huh? There's people left. I just can't see them. Oh. Oh, damn. They're in that room over there. Oh, God. They're actually alive. Haha. Alright. Keep shooting that person. I got them! I'm alive! Yes! I'm surprised that I was at. Oh god. What? I was so far from that. And of course the person with the carpet is alive. Get to the finish line. Okay. Bit. I'm probably not gonna get to the finish line though. Let's just hope this one's lasts. Cause they use the carpet. That's why. It's not fun using the carpet. Cause like, what's the point of it? Like, what's the point? Like, if you use... What the heck? I was right there. Whatever. Let's try again. But, like, if you use the carpet, it's like no fun in playing. Just for the hard things you would... Wow. Oh, so cool. I just have... Oh my god, I'm so tiny. I'm gonna jump up there, see if I can do it. Huh. Yes. I'm so tiny. It's small. Wow, I was gonna get that. Oh, help me. Let's catch the Jogos. Who are they? Who's the goat? I don't know who they are. Who are they? Let me get them. Oh. Huh. Is that them? I don't know who that is. Oh, they're over there. No. Cause no one saw them. Haha, I think I pressed it. Yeah. Watch out, Stinky the Big has a bomb. They blew up. Can I get that coin? Let me get this coin. Come on. Yes. I have to enter that creepy castle. Come on, because I'm so slow. Oh. And I'm dead. Finally, I'm normal. I don't have enough time. Do I? I actually did it. I didn't think I would make that. Come on. If I die here, 3, 6, 7. Wow. Wow, Pancake. Thank you for that. Like, you're so kind. Oh, wow. That was so rude. How much money? I don't know the amount of money I have. Can you guys tell me how much money I have? No, I see it because, like, I'm on my phone right now and my camera is, like, blocking. It's blocking, like... Ooh, okay. I'm not going in there. I'm staying out here where it's nice and safe, you know, so... But my camera's like blocking the first number of the thing. So can you guys in the comments tell me? Oh, where's it coming from now? Oh, now I get it. Dang, I shouldn't have went. It's too late now. Go, 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 go. I won. I won. Alright, let me stop showing off. Yes. It's, slow and steady wins the race, alright? Slow and steady wins the race. But I still won, though. But, like, let me stop ragging. Slow and steady wins the race. So, I waited up and nice and slow. And she really thinks I'm gonna slip on that banana. Sorry, guys. Becca was calling me. No! I'm creating a video. But maybe a couple more rounds. And believe it or not, no. And maybe we'll what you call it, end the round. Can this one, like, maybe 2 rounds and we're gonna end the video? Not end the round, end the video. Wow, I was gonna take that. No, I'm not. Oh, okay, go. Let me go. No, no. Sorry. That looked so fun. All right, Becca. I just had to tell her that I'm filming right now. But oh my god. He's asking so many questions. You gotta say, whatever that color is very pretty though. No! Becca, I can't. Huh? Of course. Alright guys, sorry. But I need it just right on time too, because I was about to die. Huh? Oh, it's not even Christmas. Oh, I forgot Halloween ended. Oh, see that present over there? Do I have to? Did it work? Avoid falling off. How? What's gonna happen? I'm confused. Oh, it's a conveyor belt. I didn't even realize that. Oh no. I might die. I can't even jump. No! Dang it. I tried to survive. How are they still holding on? See that guy named Deadly Assassin? That's literally my name, but 2 words are switched. If you guys can figure that out, how about, yeah, can you guys put that down in the comments? You see, assassin. I'm not gonna say which letters are switched up, but some of the letters there are switched up. All right, this is color block. Oh, cancel. No. Oh, okay. Lime green. Yes. All right. I thought it would like kill me. I didn't know it would still let me die. So the point is to get to the top. No, no, no. No. I'm gonna wait for my fuel to get up. Somebody's probably gonna win by then, but I'm gonna try and cheat. Oh, this girl too. Me and this girl, like we know each other's plans. Like we're both trying to do the same thing. I'm staying patient, but come on, come on, come on. So close. And is it done yet? Hurry up, please. It's still going. All right, go, go, go. No! Wow. Oh God. I already died. Oh well. Hurry up. Push the ice. Well, it already got pushed off, so don't fall down in the lava. Where's the lava? Oh. Oh. Wow. Somebody really had the audacity to push me. Oh, that's what pushed me. Well, you like my nails? Like, can you some more? Like, yas. Anyways. So, yeah. I don't know if I said this in the intro, but yes, I'm playing, what you call it? Don't press the button for, again, yes, again. This is like the I'm gonna say fourth or fifth video we made. And thank you guys for the support and all the love. So I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to unscramble my name. And bye.